The available cross-traffic monitor helps elevate driver awareness when backing out of a parking space. The system activates when the power is on, the cross-traffic monitor is turned on, the transmission is in reverse, and you're moving at 3 miles per hour or slower. The system can be turned off and on by simply touching the cross-traffic monitor icon on the lower edge of the rear-view display. When a vehicle is detected approaching from a rear corner at between 6 and 16 miles per hour, the system will alert you with an audible warning and an arrow icon in the rear-view camera display. Note that the system won't detect or provide alerts about a vehicle that's moving directly behind yours. The system may additionally provide alerts for pedestrians, bicycles, or stationary objects. Note also that the system may not work if either corner of the rear bumper is covered with snow, ice, mud, or dirt, when there is bad weather, or when your vehicle is on an incline. See your vehicle's owner's manual for more details, or go to owners.honda.com for a downloadable version.